Hello everyone, my name is Vivekananda Sudar. Today I'll be discussing one of the topic which one of our customer had bring recently. Uh, they used to use one Kafka consume option in the start shape, and they used to map the topic to from JSON to XML, and they used to send it to one NetSuite connector. So what has happened is, while doing this, they observed if they select the auto commit option in the start shape itself, it always consumes the topics from the connector and commits over there. So once the process has been completed, if any of the topics gets failed, they won't be able to access it from the start shape itself. So to achieve this problem, they wanted to implement one error handling process within that existing one. So what we suggested, I'll just show you the screen, then I'll tell you one by one. Our customer had a simple process like you see in the screen. In the start step, they have selected the Kafka connector, and here they have used the Kafka connection, and the operation says the connector action will be consumed. It will consume the topics, and here you can see there is one option to auto commit. Once the topics has been consumed by the connector, it will auto commit all the topics once it is processed. So the simple process says they will consume the topics, then convert into another document format, then update it in the NetSuite connector. So we can see there are a few options in the action of the connector. It can consume, it can produce, it can commit offset, it can listen. So by default, if you go to the consume option, you will be getting this auto commit option in the operation itself. So what the customer wanted, they wanted to implement one error handling process within this existing one, so that they can consume the topics and let it get processed. If any of the document gets failed, it will be retried, and after everything is completed, that should be get committed. So what we have designed is, we have designed a process where the start shape will be the same, the connection will be the same. The operation here, we will just uncheck the auto commit option from here, so that the topics will be consumed, but it won't be auto committed, it will be existing within the process. So we have done that. Then there's a flow control which sends each document individually. We have tried to implement the try catch uh, shape here to handle the errors or to retry the errors which has happened in the process. In the branch shape, first branch, similarly as per the before process, it will send to the map, it will get converted, and it will get updated in the NetSuite connector. If the document gets failed, it will go to the catch path and it will get retried again. So similarly, if the process gets completed, it will go to the branch, second branch, and here we have configured another Kafka connector, which is using the same connection, but here the operation will be different. The operation says it will commit the offset. So all the topics which has came from the Kafka connector, which has been consumed, after processing, it will be committed over here. So before committing, we can use or implement the try catch functionality. So the errors will be captured and those will be retried, and unless and until it is successful, it won't be get committed. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you very much.